Okay, yesterday we entered a document. Now we'll see some more transaction codes. The document entry, general posting, reference USD 303, USD 303, RG50, currency rate USD. Okay, now posting key. Now, what is posting key? Posting key is basically debit and credit in SAP. And for every submodule, there is a debit and credit, and every debit and credit is having a different number. For example, a customer invoice debit is 01. Okay, credit memo for customer is 11. Reverse invoice is credit to customer with 12. Right now, we're going to enter a GL. A GL entry will be GL debit is 40, GL credit is 50, and when we talk about vendor invoice is 31, credit memo is 21, reverse invoice is 22, outgoing payment is 25, debit, credit is invoice 31. So that's how this is actually done. So we'll take GL debit. Evap session. Okay, financial accounting, general ledger, document entry, general posting, F-02, 29, reference USD 303, USD 303, company code is RG50, currency rate is USD. Okay, 40 is GL debit 30201, and amount is 303. We are not calculating any taxes right now. Assignment is USD 303. 50 is 10101. Enter. Okay. The screen is working right now. Okay. Start USD 303. 303. Enter. Okay. 303. Post 101 was posted. More document display. Okay, this is how you post a document. Okay. Now, if I click over here, and this is how a line item is actually shown. Okay, moving to next transaction code, part document. Reference is part 4410 USD. Document currency 30201 debit 410 star 10101 credit part. Okay, now more document simulate is just a warning in orange, enter, and this is how your document will be posted. This is just simulation overview. Okay, and we can park it, and it is parked with a number. Okay, similarly, if I have a document, I cannot hold it right now, but okay. General posting F-02 document P11. I want to hold a document 50 document hold. Okay, hold USD 533 30201 debit 533 star. Why do I put a star? Because it will copy the line item before that. All the line item total is totaled over here. It automatically copies that. Okay. Enter, enter. Okay. I can go to more document hold. Now, parking and holding is having this difference where in parking it gives a number, but in hold document it does not, but it asks you for an external number. So I will say hold 533. Okay, it was held. So I will go to FPL3N. All items. This is report. Noted items, parked items. Okay. And more execute. Okay. I have 30201. This is posted, but this is parked. That's why this symbol is, but it does not show the whole document. Okay, the held document is not shown. Okay, how to retrieve the held document? General posting, more document, get held document, FB11, document list, and I have hold 533, and this is 533. I can post it from here, enter. Okay, document was posted, right? Okay, so that's how you manage GL posting. We will do evaluation foreign currency in the end. Okay, change line items FP09. 103 is the document. Only line items for GL accounts. Enter. Okay, I can only change assignment and text. Okay, and change that. Display, I can display the documents, park documents. I've already shown that. Post and delete FBV0. We have document list. Execute. This is the document that is posted 102. And I can save part or I can document and post it. Enter, enter. 102 was posted. So no new document number was generated. Okay. This is continue. Okay. Reference document. Recurring document. Okay, recurring document is FPD1. Now, recurring document are documents that have the same amount posted every month or every quarter. Display the similar. Anyways, we'll do them in the next lecture. I don't know which system right now.